Here's a large farm in California, USA, with tens of thousands of acres of high-yield corn, now fully ripe. A John Deere S790i combine harvester is swiftly working in the field, and it's quite a sight. The S790i, a large combine from John Deere, uses a track design for smooth harvesting on uneven and muddy ground. It has a 13.5-liter 6-cylinder diesel engine with 625 horsepower, offering strong power. The harvester's front has an 8-row foldable header for easy road travel. During harvest, it moves along the corn rows, pulling in the whole plant, then quickly separates husks and threshes. The stalks and cobs are crushed and discharged, leaving only the kernels in the 140-liter grain tank. After the tank is full, it unloads at 150 liters per second onto a truck, emptying in under 90 seconds. The efficiency is impressive. High efficiency means high costs. This harvester has a 1250-liter fuel tank, and refueling costs half a month's salary at current prices. Can you handle it? This harvester is very efficient, harvesting 10 tons per hour and covering 90 acres. So if you plant tens of thousands of acres of corn, would you buy this machine?